Hi, in this video we are going to say about one program, that is design a HTML form for validation the users with fields, username, password and OK button, which should receive the input from the user and response at authorized or invalid username or invalid password. Okay, so in this program first we have to create a HTML web page, and in that HTML web page password and username is as the label, and in that we have to type some input value in the username and password, and also submit button is also required. First, the password must have at least one number and one uppercase and one lowercase letter, and at least 8 or more characters required. If the password satisfy all these conditions, means it is print valid, otherwise it print invalid, and also show the modification that the password must contain what are all the conditions and also what are all missed in this password, that we have to see in this output like this. We have to bring the output like this. Password must contain the following. In this we have to type password as a one digit, that is a lowercase letter. So the password must contain the following. These are all the password must contain the following, but we have to type one lowercase letter, so it is in the red color, but we have to miss a capital letter, a number, minimum of 8 characters we will miss. So it will show that we are all miss these conditions, and one condition it will be satisfied. Okay, so we have to bring the output like that. In that first we have to create a HTML web page. In this first div class equal to container, and the label for username is a label and also password is a label, and we have to given the condition that the password must contain at least one number, one uppercase and lowercase, and at least 8 or more characters. These are all the requirements of the password. And also submit. If we give the input value in the username and password, then we have to click the submit button so that it shows the password is correct or not, and the password must contain all these conditions. So that will be shooted. So in this password must contain these are all the conditional password. These are also given in this. That's it. This is a HTML web page, and add CSS style the input fields and the message box. That is, you have to given that input fields and message box, which type of input fields are there in the HTML web page, that size and that length, that color. So these are all we have to given. So that is the CSS style. So first input of with 100%. So this is the requirements. That is the input field and the message box style, the submit button, background color. Yeah, we have to also give that the background color. So color here I have given color that is white. I have given any color that your priority, and that your choice. You have given any color. So style the container for inputs, container background color and padding, that is the input, the color of the input which also you are giving, and the message boxes is shown when the user clicks on the password field. Yeah, in the if we click on the user means it will shows the message box, user message box, and if we click on the password field means it will show the password message box, so that we have typed the username, and if we click on the password field means we have to type the password. So the message box will be open and the password will be typed. You have to type the password, and if we click outside the password field means it will show nothing. Okay, so it will close, then it will close. Password field will be closed and it will show nothing. So yeah, that is and the green text color and the check mark of entry requirements are right. Yeah, and also to the given password satisfy all the condition means it will nothing will be all the conditions will be marked as green color, and if the conditions are not satisfied, which means it will notify that which condition is not satisfied, that condition will be marked as red color, so that we have easily identify that which condition we have missed. So here you have look, a lowercase letter is there, but a capital letter, a number minimum of at least 8 characters is missing. So it will notify that it is green color is right and red color is this is missing. So here, that is, here we have given here valid color green and valid before position relative left this is, but if it is the password is invalid means color red color, invalid before position relative left, that is if the password is valid means it give green color, if it is invalid means it's in red color. Okay, so this is the other style means the width, the border, box size, margin size, and the color of the background. So these are all, and and the input color, these are all you have to type. And next, add JavaScript. This is the script bar input, and this is the password, that letter, uppercase letter, capital letter, that number, and the password length, that is 8 characters, at least have 8 characters. These are all given, and when the user clicks on the password field, this is the that cursor, if you click on the password field means it will be open the message box, and you have to type in the message box. So that is that will given, and to validate capital letters. So then once you have to write username and the password means, and submit the and click the submit button. Okay, and once we click the submit button means it have to check that the condition is satisfied or not. So that is given in this. So if the password conditions are satisfied means it will come to here and print valid. Suppose if any one of the condition is not satisfied means it will give invalid. So that's the condition. If any one of the condition not satisfied means it prints invalid, and if all the conditions satisfied means it's valid, and also it will shows what are all the condition is you have given, and what are all the condition is missed out. So that is also shows in this, right? So this is the final output, name, password, and here that is username and password, and submit button. And if you click submit button means it will show that password must contain the following. We have given a lowercase letter, so that the lowercase letter is green color, the other conditions will be missed out. So it will shows as green color. If we put all the conditions satisfied, which means for example apple, caps letter A, P, P, L, V, and something 20 30 something which we given means it will satisfy all the conditions, like uppercase A, apple, that A letter, caps, so uppercase also satisfied, and it is also contains at least 8 characters, so it is also satisfied, and P, P, L is lowercase, so it is also satisfied. Number 2030, the number also there, so all the conditions will be satisfied. So of course the password, all the conditions of the password is satisfied, then the output will be a lowercase, this is green color, and a capital uppercase which is also green color, a number is also green color, minimum 8 characters will be green color. So all are printed green color, and also right mark, there is no wrong mark, a right mark will be print here. Okay, this is the program, and also this is the code of this program. Finally, you will like this video, I hope. Thank you.